Same real quote, same real server, a fraction of the code. Let's rewrite last video's XHR call with fetch. Fetch is the modern, built-in browser API for making an AJAX request with nothing to import and no library needed. It genuinely returns a real promise, so it chains cleanly with async and await instead of a callback. It's a direct real replacement for most xmlhttprequest use cases, with far less setup code, but underneath, it's still doing the exact same real job: request, response, DOM update. Same real trigger as always, a genuine user click kicks off the request. One real line replaces XHR's open, plus send, pair. Fetch genuinely starts the request and returns a real promise immediately. res.ok is a real boolean the response itself carries. Checking it here is good practice, even though this exact request always genuinely succeeds. Fetch parses the real JSO body for you, no manual JSO.parse, xhr.response text like the previous video needed. The exact same real payoff, updating the real DOM with whatever the server genuinely sent. That's the whole real request. Compare this to last video's 7 real lines for the identical outcome. No script tag, no npm install. This real function has been available natively for years. Fetch, API quote, .then, res is equal to greater than res.jso, .then, data is equal to greater than works exactly as well. Async await is just genuinely easier to read. A real, built-in way to cancel a request that's taking too long. XHR needs a separate abort call and its own timeout property to do the same real job. This is a genuinely common surprise. Only a real network-level failure rejects the promise, which is exactly why the res.ok check to lines up matters. Unlike XHR's open, plus send, split, this same real fetch function handles every real HTTP method just by changing its second argument. So far it's been one string. The next video fetches a real array of objects and renders a real list from it. Next, what a real JSO response actually looks like when it's more than one value.